The World Health Organization declared the COVID-19 outbreak a pandemic on March 11, 2020. News of the deadly coronavirus spreading across the world disrupted daily life for people everywhere. Rising infection rates and skyrocketing death tolls prompted calls for sheltering in place and social distancing. The most vulnerable among us were most at risk. The Prem Rawat Foundation, in line with its mission of addressing the fundamental human needs of food, water and peace, quickly mobilized to provide more than $300,000 in grants for crucial medical care, equipment, food and other humanitarian aid to help people around the world who are suffering during the pandemic. TPRF partnered with international aid organizations to respond on multiple fronts with patient care, health education, training for infection control, equipment, supplies and food. Support went to Doctors Without Borders and International Medical Corps to help people in several countries, and also to CESFI to help in northern Italy, an area extremely hard hit. Additional aid went to Family Promise to provide shelter and meals to homeless families, and to World Central Kitchen, who provide fresh packaged meals to thousands of children, families, seniors and frontline workers in the most susceptible communities in the US. The foundation is also granting $15,000 to feed people in need in the disadvantaged neighborhood of Alpachaca in Ibarra, Ecuador, and an additional $5,000 for seeds to support thousands of family gardens and to start a seed bank. Street Peace and Respect, a group of former gang members who were inspired by TPRF's Peace Education program to contribute positively to their community, are spearheading this project.
Todo corazón que haya venido a mi casita a darme una manita, una granita de arena por en esta situación que estamos viviendo, ya que yo tengo 3 personas con discapacidad aquí y no tenemos trabajo.
Pues nosotros primeramente agradecer por esto que a nosotros nos va a servir de mucho con la cuarentena, que no podemos ni salir a hacer nada.
Gracias, Fundación Prem Rawat.
In April, Tropical Cyclone Harold caused widespread destruction in the South Pacific. $30,000 was sent to save the children Fiji, and another $15,000 is earmarked for additional aid to help people who were left without shelter, clothing or medical care. This after the area was already struggling from the spread of the coronavirus. These efforts were made possible by the outpouring of generosity from the Prem Rawat Foundation contributors who responded quickly to extend the aid. Food for People, TPRF's signature program to help people emerge from poverty, has provided clean water and over 3 million nutritious meals since 2006. Normal kitchen services paused due to emergency government regulations in India, Nepal and Ghana, and TPRF is working with their local partner NGOs to find other ways of providing aid, including home deliveries. In Nepal, Food for People volunteers are helping local municipalities distribute food relief packets to people in need in nearby communities. In Ghana, they are delivering food to the elderly and handicapped. TPRF's popular Peace Education program, an innovative series of video-based workshops that help people discover their own inner strength and personal peace, followed official recommendations to avoid group assemblies and to keep physical distance.
It's a pleasure to be here.
Normally an in-person course, several facilitators around the world have managed to continue the workshops on virtual platforms to provide this critical learning. TPRF also used social media to reach millions of people when Prem Rawat started daily global lockdown broadcasts to provide his characteristic wisdom and offer a respite of calm during a particularly stressful time.
In the midst of all of this, coronavirus fiasco and disaster and whatever is going on, I'm really here to tell you about something that's beautiful in life, that's beautiful in this existence. And that inside of you, still there is a want to be fulfilled, to be content. That there is an ocean of answers within you.
You can watch Prem Rawat's lockdown messages on premrawat.com. As the pandemic continues to cause challenges for people across the globe, TPRF continues to gratefully accept donations, and they will be used to further expand help to those in critical need. To find out more or support TPRF's ongoing humanitarian initiatives, visit tprf.org.